welcome to the session of simple equation. Let's start our exercise 4.3. In exercise 4.3, question number 1 is solve the following equation, in which we have been given a part as 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. So we have to transpose 5 by 2 to right hand side. We have transpose means we have to change the side by changing the sign also. We'll write 2y is equal to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 2y is equal to, taking the LCM on the other side, 37 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 32 by 2, which is equal to 16. 2y is equal to 16. That means y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8. We have to write here by checking the equation. We have to find out whether our answer is correct or not. We'll be checking it, putting y is equal to 8 in left hand side, that is 2 into 8 plus 5 by 2, which is equal to 16 plus 5 by 2, which is 32 plus 5 by 2 is 37 by 2, which is actually our right hand side. So that means we are getting the same value as RHS, so our answer is correct. Moving to B part, that is 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. 5t is equal to 10 minus 28. 5t is equal to minus 18. We have transposed in the first step 28 to other side to RHS. Now 5t divided by 5 is equal to 18 divided by 5. Dividing by 5 on both the sides, we got answer t is equal to minus 18 by 5. We have to check our answer, putting the value of t in LHS. 5 into minus 18 by 5 plus 28, which is equal to minus 18 plus 28. Answer is plus 10, which is our RHS. So we have got same value as RHS, so again our answer is correct. Same way you can solve for C part, same way D part. Now I am doing E part. 5 by 2x is equal to minus 10, that is 5 by 2x into 2 is equal to minus 10 into 2, that is 5x is equal to minus 20. Now 5x divided by 5 and minus 20 also divided by 5, that is x is equal to minus 4. For checking again, we'll put x is equal to minus 4 on our LHS. 5 by 2 into minus 4 means 5 into minus 2 equal to minus 10, which is our RHS. So means our answer is correct. Moving to F part, that is 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4, means we will be first multiplying by 2 on both the sides. We got answer 5x as equal to 25 by 2. Now dividing 5 on both the sides, we'll be getting answer x is equal to 5 by 2. Now checking and putting x is equal to minus 5 by 2 in your LHS, that is 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 will become 25 by 4, which is your RHS. So in the same way, now we have checked our answer. Answer is correct. You can try for G part. Then moving to H part, that is 6z plus 10 equal to minus 2. So 6z is equal to minus 2 minus 10, which is 6z is equal to minus 12, and 6z divided by 6 and minus 12 divided by 6, z is equal to minus 2. Now if we check our answer, 6 into minus 2 divided by 10, plus 10, that is minus 12 plus 10 is equal to minus 2, which is your RHS. Same way I part you can solve. Moving to J part, 2b minus 5 equal to 3. 2b minus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5, which is equal to 8, and 2b multiplied by 3 is equal to 8 into 3. 2b is equal to 24, and 2b divided by 2 and 24 divided by 2, b is equal to 12. For checking, 2 by 3 into 12 minus 5, which is equal to 3 4s are 12, so it will become 8 minus 5 equal to 3, which is our right hand side. So again we have proved that the answer comes out equal to right hand side. So our answer is correct. Moving to question number 2, solve the following equation. In that, our equation given is 2x plus 4 equal to 12. We will be solving it by dividing on both the sides by 5. We get answer x plus 4 equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 minus 4 means x is equal to minus 2. Same way as we have done in the previous question, we'll be putting the value of x into left hand side, that is 2 plus 4 means 2 into 6 equal to 12, which is your right hand side. Same way you can try for B, C and D part. Moving to E part, that is 2, 4, 2 minus x equal to 8. Now dividing the by 4 on both the sides, we get 2 minus x equal to 2. Minus x equal to 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So answer of x is 0. Putting 0 on your left hand side will become 4. In a bracket, 2 minus 0 will be 4 into 2 equal to 8, which is your RHS. Moving to question number 3, that is solve the following equations, that is A part 4 equal to 5p minus 2, 4 by 5 equal to 5p minus 2 by 5, means we have divided by 5 on both the sides. This is 4 by 5 equal to p minus 2. So 4 by 5 plus 2 equal to p, that is 4 plus 10 by 5 equal to p, and p is equal to 14 by 5, and we can check it by putting on our left hand on right hand side, that is 5 14 by 5 minus 2, which is 5 14 minus 10 by 5. 5 will get cancelled with 5. Answer comes out to be 4, which is your left hand side. So answer again comes out to be equal. Same way you can solve for B, C part. I am explaining the D part. 4 then plus 5 p minus 1 equal to 34. Transposing 4 to the other side, that is 5 p minus 1 equal to 34 minus 4, that is 5 p minus 1 equal to 30. 5 p minus 1 upon 5 is 30 by 5. P minus 1 equal to 6. Taking 1 on the other side, p is equal to 7. So putting p is equal to 7 in your LHS for checking the answer, 4 plus 5, 7 minus 1. So it will become 4 plus 5 into 6, 4 plus 30 is equal to 34, which is right hand side. Moving to E part is the same. Moving to the question number 3, solve the following equations, that is 4 equal to 5p minus 2, means dividing on both the sides by 5, it will become 4 by 5 equal to p minus 2. Adding 2 on both the sides, that will become 4 by 5 plus 2 equal to p. So taking LCM, 4 plus 10 by 5 equal to p, it will become 14 by 5. Then moving to B part, minus 4 equal to 5 p minus 2, dividing both the sides by 5, minus 4 by 5 equal to p minus 2, minus 4 by 5 plus 2 on both the sides, minus 4 plus 10 by 5 equal to p, it will become 6 by 5 p. Then similarly you can solve for C, D and E part. Moving to the last question, number 4, that is construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to 2. There can be many answers. I am trying to show you that one, like x is equal to 2. If we multiply both the sides by 5, it will become 5x is equal to 10. Subtracting 3 from both the sides, 5x minus 3 equal to 10 minus 3 means 5x plus 3 is equal to 7. So dividing both the sides by 2, that is 5x by 2 minus 3 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. So I have put here 1, 2 and 3. These are the three equations. So in the same way you can construct equations from your own sides, and you can try for B part for framing the equation. There can be many answers of this equation.